Today we are going to learn about different sounds of consonants. We know that A, E, I, O, U are 5 vowels and rest of the 21 letters in English alphabet are consonants. Let us start with the sounds of B, C and D. B says B. See here, bus, bear, bat, Beena, basket, all these words begin with the consonant B. And what is the sound of B? B. Try to speak with me. Bus, bear, bat. Okay. And sound of C is K. These words cup, calf, carrot, cocoa, cat, all these begin with the consonant C. And the sound of C is K. The next consonant is D. Its sound is D, as in duck, door, dolphin, donuts. Let us move on to F, G, H consonants. F says F, as in fox, fan, feather, family. All these words begin with F and the sound of F is F. Try to speak with me. Fox, fan, feather. G consonant says G, as in goose, gate, girl, goat. Consonant H says H, H, hippo, H, house, hat, hero. These words start with H consonant and the sound, what sound is coming? H, hippo, house. Now let us see what sound comes from J. J says J, as in jam, jacket, jug, J. K says K. These words begin with K, like cat, key, kettle, kangaroo, koala. All these words begin with K. And what is the sound of K? K, 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 kite, K, key, and so on. L says L, as in lemon, lollipop, lion. Now let's see the consonants M, N, P. M says What is this? Monkey. The first letter is M. M says monkey, mug, motorcycle, mangoes. Next letter N. N says as in nest, nail, needle, nine. P says P. P. Try to speak with me. Penguin, P. Pencil, pumpkin, parrot. P says P. Let us see the sound of consonants Q, R, S. Q says Qu, queen, Qu, quail, quilt. R says R. Let us see these pictures. Rat, rose, ring. All these words begin with R and the sound is R. Try to speak with me. Rat, rose, ring, Raju. Right? R says R. Now S. S says S. What is the sound? S. Sunflower, sock, seahorse. This is only one sock, so we'll say sock. A pair or more than one, that is socks. That is my sock. Those are my socks. So What does the sound of S is? What is the sound of S is? S, as in says, sun. Okay. Now, next consonants are T, V, W. T says T. Tiger, tomato, turtle, Tim, all these words begin with T. T sound is coming. Now, V. When we speak V letter words, the sound that comes out is V. We bring out bottom lip to touch top teeth, as in violin, vase, vulture, right? Veera. Now is letter W. When we speak W letter words, the sound that comes out is V sound. The lips go forward and tongue goes backward. For example, well, try to speak with me. Window, watermelon, watermelon, veil, Wanda, water. Now let us see the sounds of consonants X, Y and Z. X says X, as in Xmas. The next is X-ray, Xmas tree, X-ray. Y says Y, yellow, yo-yo with which you play, yak. Z says Z, as in zoo, zebra, zip. See, this is the picture of a zip. So, Z says Z. I hope you all must have understood the sounds of consonants. Thank you and bye-bye.